Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on the Broken Logero's YouTube channel. So as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, we got some exciting news for you guys. Before we can get into that, I just want to thank my buddy Jean for hooking me up with some sick welding on some parts that I needed welded. If you guys need any welding done in the Kraaifontein area, Brackenfell, northern suburbs, feel free to contact Jean. He's very good at what he does. So yeah, let's get straight to today's video. So before we do anything crazy, I actually want to show you guys what we ended up getting. So first things first, this light over here is a little bit loose. The bumper is loose. As you guys can see, it was MacGyvered to be kept in place. We are not entirely sure why, but we're about to find that out real soon. Other than that, basic MK1 problems to handle, but that we will fix as well. Other than that, this thing is actually really clean. This thing is actually very clean. As I think it's quite obvious that it's not new, and obviously there will be some imperfections, but let's just take a moment to appreciate this bucky in stock form. Obviously wheels and lows is definitely on the table and it will be coming soon, but for now we're going to be keeping it stock and just making it cleaner and just nicer. But let us know in the comments down below what you guys think of the bucky. I am really excited. We are really excited to be starting this project. So yeah, what we want to do first is get the bumper off so that we can start working and see what is the issue there. And maybe we can get to the light today, but enjoy. To remove a MK1 bumper is actually very straightforward. There's a bolt right there and a bolt right there that we're gonna loosen, and then on this side the same. So it's basically 4 bolts in total, and then the whole bumper should slide out with the stiffener in place. I'll show you guys what that is in a second.
Is it open?
Wait.
Jy vas my bro. Hy kabeltjie is op sy laaste hond. Comes in.
The indicator. Okay, now wait. Pull it a bit. Here we got the bumper loose finally.
See, boek het draai.
Can we not get done?
Come on bro, man. Look what hy wys hier man.
Okay, so guys, it is getting dark outside, but after inspecting the bumper, as you guys can see, this is how the bumper, I think it's a bumper slide, or I'm not sure what you call this. Please let us know in the comments below. On this side there is one, but it's not even, it's quite loose, and there's no screw in there. And then on this side, this one is like hanging, just hanging there. And I'm not sure how we're gonna fix it yet, but that will be fixed. Also what we noticed was on the stiffener itself, this part is basically bent, so we're gonna have to either knock it straight or bend it straight. We're gonna try and fix that first and then put the stiffener back on the car or on the bakkie and then get to the bumper. Guys, in the time lapse that you guys just saw now, we basically hit this thing as straight as we could get it. This is actually way better than I expected to get it because it was actually bent really bad. But I just want to show you guys how the other side looked before we actually start with the other side. So this is how the other side looks at the moment. So we're gonna try and get this side as straight like we just got the other one now. Obviously we are not professionals, and as you guys can see, we do not have the proper tools, but I think the result, it's not bad at all. You actually don't see this stiffener at all when the bumper is on, so that is why we're just trying to get it as straight as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we basically just gave the whole stiffener a coat of paint just to make it look nice and fresh. We know it's not going to be seen, but it's still going to look nice and fresh. So the next step is to wait for it just to dry a little bit, and then we're going to install it back. I don't think we're going to install the bumper tonight, but we'll definitely install it probably tomorrow. Guys, so I'm gonna end the video off here. As you guys saw in the video, we only straightened the stiffener and then we actually got the bumper back onto the caddy, but we aren't happy with it because obviously, as we told you guys, we need to get those bumper slides to actually fit the bumper properly. So we'll probably do that in the near future, but the bumper isn't the biggest issue. There's some other things that we need to attend to first. So I also want to take this moment to just wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I also want to thank you guys for all the support during 2020. We've hit 1,000 subscribers and the channel is actually doing very well for a channel that just started and for the amount of videos that we have. So I just want you guys to know that I do really appreciate the fact that you guys take the time out of your day to watch my videos. Yeah, we are trying to better the quality of the videos, but not only the quality of the video itself, we're also trying to better the content quality. So yeah, please do stay tuned and please do subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, peace out and keep hustling.